Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We're going to have a look at our performance on Liberium Crypto. What has happened the last 7 days and what kind of profits we've made. We'll try and do a weekly update giving us an indication of what has happened the last 7 days. But first, what is Liberium Crypto? Liberium Crypto is a crypto trading execution site where users get the benefit and freedom of social trading. Our services offering includes two packages, a crypto trading signals platform, as well as a complete automated trade execution platform with real live traders. The automatic trades are processed with trade credits and not on a specific time frame, like a monthly subscription. This allows the trades to happen naturally in the market. If the market is flat, you're not wasting time on a monthly subscription. The main benefit of Liberium Crypto is you're not paying the platform to trade for you. Your funds stays in your own exchange and you connect via API keys, meaning you want to take your funds out, you can take it out. If you've seen enough profit in a trade, you can take profit. If you don't like a trade, you can just go and close it. And if you don't like the system, you just disconnect your API keys. They currently have 6 traders, ranging from 2.3985% per trade up to 7.8588% per trade. The smaller the percentage, the more trades gets done. The higher the percentage, the slower the trader does. So let's start and looking at two accounts. Extreme Crypto trading USDT pairs and USD pairs, and Extreme Bitcoin trading Bitcoin pairs. I've downloaded the Excel sheets to see how we're standing with every single trade that is done. We'll start with the USDT pairs. Got the Excel sheet here. So let's get the dates correct. We're going to work from the 12th until the 18th of May. So the close date, we want to have everything from the 12th until the 18th. So let's take the rest out. We'll go down to 12. 12 has been a busy day. So the rest downwards, we're going to take out. We're just going to work in the last 7 days. The 12th to the 18th. There you can see. Straight the 12th of the 5th all the way up to the 17th. There was no trades on the 18th. On the right hand side, you can see which trades has been closed and has hit profit. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to take all the cancelled trades out. So we just stay left with all the trades that gave us profit. Of course, we want to know what kind of profit taken the last 7 days and how many trades it was. So let's clear it up, this Excel. Give us a good idea of what's happening and where we're standing. Clear it. Then we'll get a good indication of more or less what kind of profit the last 7 days does. It's a bad market currently out there. It's red a lot. And a lot of people said they've taken a loss. Yes, I've devalued on my own account, but I didn't take a loss because I'm not selling anything in a minus. I'm willing to wait and see if the market corrects and it comes back up. Alright, so in the last 7 days, since the 12th, all the way to the 17th, trades has been closed, and this is the profit. If we calculate that up, we've closed 30 trades in the last 7 days. And those 30 trades gave us accumulated profit 267.320473 divided by 30. So the last 7 days, we've averaged 8.9% per trade. Now, depending on your trade size, let's calculate that. You're trading on a minimum of $30 with 8.91% profit. That will give you $2.67 per trade that's been closed. And we've closed a total of 30 trades. That's profit of $80 the last week. If you're trading a trade size of $50 with an average of 8.91% per trade, that's $4.45 profit per trade, giving you a profit of $133 in the last week. If your trade size is $100 with a profit of 8.91% per trade, that's $8.91, and we closed 30 trades. That's $267 profit. Now, depending on your bankroll, because no trader and no one knows what your trade size is or what your bankroll is, just make sure you have enough trades due to the fact that Extreme Crypto is not closing any trades in a negative. He's willing for it to wait until the market corrects. So the more trades you have available, the better it is. But averaging 8.91% over 30 trades in the last 7 days, it's decent profits. Let's go to the Bitcoin side and we see how did that side do. Looking at the Bitcoin pairing, we're going to do the same. We want all the trades that's been closed in the last 7 days from the 12th until the 18th of May. So the 18th there was no trades. On the 17th we're seeing trades. We'll just go down to the 12th. Everything below the 12th take out. Take out that beforehand. Alright, everything out of the 12th is out. And now everything, all the cancelled trades, because I readjust my limit orders as I go through. Take them out. We just left with the trades that gave us profits. Clearing them out. We'll know how many trades we've closed in the last 7 days. We'll calculate our profit. Give ourselves an indication. There we are. So these are the profit trades in the last 7 days. We look down. We've closed 28 Bitcoin trades in the last 7 days with a cumulative profit of 195.262316 divided by 28 closed trades. That's giving us an average of 6.97% per trade. Now let's have a look at your trade sizes. What kind of profit we would have made on a $30 trade size. An average of 6.97%. That's just over the $2 profit per trade. And we've closed 28 trades. So on a $30 trade size, you would have made $58 profit. That's if you were in every single trade. Looking at the $50 trade size, with profit of 6.97% average, that gives us $3.48 profit per trade. 28 trades. That gives us a profit of $97.58 over the last 7 days if you were in every single trade. And looking at $100 trades, the average of 6.97%, that gives us a profit of $6.97 per trade. And we closed 28 trades. That's a profit of $195.16. This is just a way to give you an indication of what kind of profit you can make on your trade sizes, and depending on your bankroll, if you're available or able to be in every single trade. It's decent profits. This is how I'm calculating my profits. I have my own trade size, I calculate my profits, and this is how I pay myself, because now I know what I've gotten and how much I can take out. When you go into your Liberium Crypto, when you're logged in, you can just go to dashboard and you can scroll down to the bottom and you'll see your trade results there. Use them, calculate your profits, take out your profits, and let your funds work for you. Leave me your thoughts and concerns. I'll be back next week with the last 7 days trading profits to see how we did and to give ourselves an indication of what we're getting paid. Have a great one. Take care.